How to build 9-foot Christmas tree and make it full. Once you open the box and take your tree out, you will see all the parts that comes with it, and that is the base, the stand that you're going to put the tree on. The biggest part of the tree is the base, the largest one, and this tree comes with this little stand, which is it's in 4 perpendicular to each other. It comes with a screw. Place this on a flat surface, make sure the holes align, and then put in the screw. Once you make sure the lines are all perpendicular to each other, you'll be able to put in the screw, and it works a little easier once you align the holes. And then once you put this in, you don't need to put it all the way, because once we put in the tree into the holes, that's when we are going to tighten this so it will hold the tree in place, and we can carry this with the tree without the tree falling off or the base falling off. And now you can see the part of the tree. This tree is a 9-foot tree, so it comes in 4 parts. You have part D, you have C, B, and then you have A. The A is the smallest one, which is the top one that you're going to put on it. Now you just remove the cap of the base, which is D, is the base, the first one that goes into the stand. So you just place it in and then tighten the screws around it. So once you do that, this can be moved all around. Make sure you did that first before you open the branches of the tree, so you don't make too much mess on yourself. Now you just let the hinges fall off on themselves, and that way you can rearrange the leaves the way you want it. The best tip I would say is open them up, all the branches, the tips, because that really makes the tree full, and you have to spend some time on it, which I did here, but it was one of the ways that you can actually make your Christmas tree look very full and look very good, neat, and really makes it really inviting. Just open them up. Take your time, just open them up from the branches, open them, and they always open. Once you open them, they stays in place. And once the first part is done, which is section D, we can move on to the next section, but make sure the first section is already open up before you put in the second section, which is section C. Now this is all set up nicely, so now we can go ahead and put in the second section C, and make sure this is a pre-lit, so once you put it in, it locks in, and the plug it's already put in place, so you don't need to find where the plug is to put it together. It already plugs. Now all you have to do is just open it up and let it fall, and then start opening the branches as well. As you can see, it's already plugging, so you don't need to do anything with the light. So just open them to your desire, how you want it to look, how fully you want it. It takes a little time to get it all done, but it's easy. Once you figure it out, it's easy to do. And you will always make your Christmas trees look very full. So once you start from the bottom all the way to the top on each section that you put in. You can see once you took your time to open the branches, you see how fully it's getting. Now we put in the section B into section C. So this time all you have to do is just make sure the branches fall off, they all fall down, and then you just start opening them up again, just as you did for the two sections earlier, and making sure that they are all getting full, all the spaces in between them are getting full. Now once that is done, we put in part A, which is the top one, the last one of the sections. And now you just open that up as well. There's no making sure that the light is plugged or everything, because this is a prelate. The light already was connected to the tree before, so once you put the sections in, it connects together, so you don't have to look for where the light or where the plug is. So this really makes it very easy to put up a tree like this. Now you can see all the way to the top, and you just make sure that every branches is open up, all the tips is open up, and sealing all the holes that might be showing all the way to the top, and make it very full. With this tree being 9 foot, you might be standing on a ladder to be able to get to the top, and that's what I did. I was standing on a ladder to be able to get there because it's very tall. And you just turning around, make sure all the parts, every space you see, you just fill it up. And you can see from top all the way to down. And this is all full. Fill it up so neatly, so nice, from all the way to the bottom. If you see any space, just take your second and just open more branches out, and to fill all these holes you might see, or all these spaces as I just open it like that, it makes it very full and inviting as well, because you'll not be seeing too much holes at all. Well, if this helps you, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. This is a Christmas tree that I am building at work. They asked me to, so I thought of making a video to show you how you can actually make your Christmas tree very full, and you can see how full this is. So all you need to do is just put in your ornament and turn on your light, and you have your Christmas tree. People will be trying to know exactly how you make your tree to be that full, because not many people know how to do it. I myself included until recently when I started building this tree. So I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.